Hey, buddy, can you tell Mommy, what does the elephant say? Yes. What does the lion say? Oh, yes. What does the doggy say? What does the, oh boy, goodness. What does the owl say? Ooh, ooh. What does the kitty say? Kitty. What does the kitty say? Meow. William. What else does he know?
Owl.
Oh, William, what does the rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Monkey, gorilla.
What's the monkey say? William? Will. He's distracted now. What's the monkey say? Ooh, ooh, ha, ha. That's right. Yes, that's what the rooster says. Do you find a rooster on that puzzle? There is a rooster on that puzzle. What's the cow say? Oh, sorta. Moo. Is that the sheep? What's the sheep say? Ba ba. That's right. What a smart boy you are. Daddy went out in the garage. I'm trying to think. I think our favorites are elephant and lion. What's the elephant say? That was a half-hearted one. He's interested in Daddy. That's the doggy's food, Will.